Hello guys! In today's video, I'll be showing you how to find Capcut templates. So without further ado, let's start! So to find Capcut templates, what we're going to do is to search Capcut templates on Google. Just search for Capcut templates. You can also search for a specific template that you like. Here are the available templates. Just scroll down to see the different options. But for now, we will going to use the first option, which CapcutTemplates.com, latest new trend CapCut templates. Now just click on that. Here are the new CapCut templates. Just scroll down to see the different templates that you can use. For example, I want to use this template, so what I'm going to do is to click on this. Here is the template, so scroll down and then you'll see right there, Use Template on CapCut. Just click on that. That's it. Thank you for watching.